Good morning, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor, and in this short video, 17th of February, I'm going to talk about basically there's two ways we trend follow. One is we buy breakouts, and the other is we buy or try to buy retracements. And the other fact is there's no guarantee either one of them will actually ever work. Before we even start, I'd suggest you read the disclosure. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. But let's start. First of all, where we are in the stock market, that's the first thing I always look at, first thing. And we're still negative. Even though we've had a couple days bouncing, we've had somewhat of a nice little rally, but it's not to be unexpected. We had support here, bounced above it. This is on the S&P. And then on the QQQs, you can see we're testing the support. Actually, the support becomes resistance, you can see right here. So everything seems to be, the stock market, everything is interrelated between crude and gold and stocks and everything else. So what actually is interesting that came across for me is the gold miner ETF, which is called the market vectors. And what's interesting with that share is that you had a very, very large divergence at support. All this is support, failed, and then came right back. And you can see lower, higher, higher. This is what we call a divergence. The other thing is draw a simple trend line. You could plot the breakout of it. More prudent might have been to wait for a 200-day moving average breakout up to here. All depends on your personal rules, and that's what we do at Trend Following Mentor, help you develop your rules. But what's interesting is a pullback potentially in an uptrend. And you can see that actually here, there's an indicator called the force index. It's not mine, it's by Alexander Elder. And when you're in an uptrend, or you think you're in an uptrend, and you have a pullback, you can buy the breakout of that high here. We'll get to it. And each day you track it. You're still bullish. This is what the idea of buying a pullback. And you want to see some consolidation, because you had a massive move here. You went from 12 up to almost 19 in very, very short period of time. There has to be pullbacks. You don't want to get shaken out of your position. That's why you need to actually have rules. We have no idea if this trade will work or not work. So going back to our website, Trend Following Mentor, we have products. We have the book, The Bible of Trend Following. We have the Bible of Compounding Money. Have one-on-one mentoring. I have to have a course. If you do the mentoring, hourly mentoring, I'll give you the course for free. My goal is to help you become a better trader. Best ways to reach me is my email. If I can help you in any way, just let me know. Thank you very much.